Chapter 9. AI, an Introduction. Intelligence. Before you learn about the artificial intelligence, let's understand what is intelligence. Intelligence refers to the mental ability or intellectual power to think, to learn from experience, to solve problems, and to adapt to new situations. According to Harvard psychologist Howard Gardner, humans have multiple forms of intelligence. A person may have a variety of skills, or he may excel in one particular area, such as logical intelligence or musical intelligence. There are 9 types of intelligence. Multiple intelligences: bodily kinesthetic, body smart, interpersonal, people smart, verbal linguistic, word smart, logical mathematical, number reasoning smart, naturalistic, nature smart, existential, life smart, intrapersonal, self smart, visual spatial, picture smart, musical sound smart, naturalistic, nature smart, visual spatial, picture smart, verbal linguistic, word smart, existential, life smart, musical, sound smart, logical mathematical, number reasoning smart, interpersonal, people smart, bodily kinesthetic, body smart, intrapersonal, self smart. Understand artificial intelligence. The first thing that comes to most people's minds when they hear the term artificial intelligence is typically robots. That's because films and books frequently depict human-like machines that cause havoc on Earth. But the opposite is actually true. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computers. There are mainly 3 types of AI based on its capabilities: weak AI, strong AI, and super AI. Weak AI. This type of AI focuses on only one task at one time and cannot perform beyond its limitations. Strong AI. This type of AI can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human being can. Super AI. This type of AI can perform any task better than a human being in various fields. Why AI? The possibility for AI to change how we live, work, and play makes it very important. Automation of human tasks like customer service, lead generation, fraud detection, and quality control has been successfully used in business. AI is capable of doing many tasks much more effectively than human beings. Advantages of AI. You know that AI is capable more than human beings. Now look at some advantages of AI. Digital assistance, reduction in human error, availability, zero risks, new inventions, perform repetitive tasks, everyday life acts, decision making, medical applications, pattern identification. History of AI. The journey of AI started in 1950s and is going on till now. Let's learn about it. 1950s. In 1950, Alan Turing test was conducted. This marked the birth of artificial intelligence. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. 1970. Webot. At Waseda University in Japan, work on the intelligent robot Webot. Waseda robot that resembles a human started. It had basic sensor systems, It was capable of simple tasks like picking up objects and responding to voice commands. Vabot laid the foundation for future research in humanoid robotics. 1980. Vabot 2. At Waseda University, Vabot was constructed in 1980. The Vabot structure made it possible for the humanoid to interact with people. It was equipped with vision systems that allowed it to recognize and interact with objects in its environment. This version also had a more natural walking gait and demonstrated greater autonomy in movement. It was a significant step forward in the evolution of humanoid robotics. 2000 to present. ASIMO. It is an era of revolution in the field of AI with the various successful developments of AI. ASIMO stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It is a humanoid robot developed by Honda. It can walk, run, climb stairs, dance, interact with people, and even serve as a platform for research in areas like mobility assistance and human-robot interaction. Kismet. It is a social robot developed by Dr. Cynthia Brazil. It is designed to explore and understand the human-robot interaction and emotional communication. Kismet has a unique appearance with expressive features like moving eyebrows and lips. Driverless car. Driverless cars refers to the autonomous vehicles. It is a revolutionary technological advancement in transportation. They utilize advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and intricate algorithms to navigate and operate without human intervention. Now also look some more advanced invention of human. Alexa, Siri, ChatGPT, chatbots, Robonaut. In summary, intelligence refers to the mental ability or intellectual power to think, to learn from experience, to solve problems, and to adapt to new situations. Artificial intelligence is based on a principle in which human intelligence is defined in a way that a machine can easily copy it and execute various jobs. AI is capable to do many tasks much more effectively than humans. The advantages of AI are digital assistance, reduction in human error, availability, zero risks, new inventions, etc. The journey of AI started in 1950s and is going on. In 1950, Alan Turing test was conducted. This marked the birth of artificial intelligence. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. At Waseda University in Japan, work on the intelligent robot Vabot, Waseda robot, that resembles a human started. At Waseda University, Vabot was constructed in 1980. 2000s is an era of revolution in the field of AI with the various successful developments of AI.